What's up, folks? Welcome to Consumer Sherpa, your #1 source on the web in the home appliance department. Today we'll talk about using room heaters in your car, utilizing your room heater as a car heater. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. The short answer to the question is yes, you can. But there's more to it. So there are 2 reasons why you might want to consider using a space heater as an electric car heater, as a replacement for a faulty HVAC system, or as an alternative to storing your vehicle. Some important questions to consider before buying an electric car heater are whether you should use 120 or 12-volt heater, whether it's safe to use a portable car heater in your vehicle, and how much energy you need to heat the vehicle. Major pitfalls include power bottlenecks, fire hazards, and heat loss. Leaving the heater in the vehicle unattended can be a fire hazard. Although some heaters can be used in vehicles, they're not designed for that purpose, so use them at your own risk. Residential heaters are designed to work on alternating current. In North America, that means they run on 120-volt AC. In most cases, the car's electrical system provides 12-volt DC, which can vary up or down depending on factors such as battery level and total system load. When using a residential heater as an electric car heater, connect it to an inverter. The inverter converts direct current from the vehicle's electrical system to the alternating current required for the heater. Some heaters are specially designed to be used as electric car heaters. These units operate on direct current instead of alternating current, which means that an inverter is not required. Some 12-volt car heaters can be plugged into a cigarette lighter socket or a dedicated accessory socket. However, these heaters provide a limited amount of heat. Stronger 12-volt heaters require a direct connection to the battery due to the amount of electricity they draw. In cases where the heater is used to replace a faulty car heating system, it is usually best to use a 12-volt heater. Although it is technically possible to use almost any residential heater in a car, it is more efficient and less dangerous to use than connecting a 120-volt heater to an inverter. In cases where the heater is used as a garage alternative for heating the vehicle before a cold morning drive, a 120-volt heater may be the best option. Starting the 12-volt heater when the vehicle is switched off will quickly drain the battery to such an extent that the vehicle will not start. The 120-volt residential heaters can be plugged into a suitable socket with a suitable extension cable designed for outdoor use. No matter why you use an electric heater in your car, the most important question to consider is whether you create a fire hazard in the process. Most home heaters have a warning that all flammable materials must be kept at a minimum distance from all sides of the heater. The specific distance can vary, but it's usually a few meters, which makes it difficult to find a safe place to install a residential heater in a car or truck. Safe use of the electric heater in the car is not impossible. However, you should use common sense and avoid placing one of these heaters near any flammable objects. We hope that this guide was helpful to you and that you've learned something new today. Stay safe.